Hey guys, how you doing? This is Andy Huang. 大家好，我是黄家贤. Hey guys, I would like to share something with you real quick. I was out with my buyer over the weekend, or actually the past 2 weekends. And the housing market is just absolutely crazy in the Westbury, East Meadows, and Levittown area. It's just you have houses, you have properties that sold within the first open house, and you have others that's just stayed on the market for more than 6 months already, while listing agents try to reduce hundreds of thousands of dollars. There's one listed for like $799,000. Now it's $699,000 after I think the 4th month, coming to the 5th month. So it's truly absolutely crazy market right now. People, it's almost like they're hoping for the best and then prepare for the worst. You know, they let it sit on the market for a little bit. And remember, we talked about this loaf of bread analogy, right? So if you have a loaf of bread that's fresh, everyone wants to smell it, everyone wants to touch it, and after a couple of days, no one wants to touch it. Same thing with listing a property. Okay, so with that said, I wanted to just go over real quick, because now, as you understand, Zillow's and other sites, they get their listings fed directly through the MLS. So a lot of lingos, a lot of abbreviations start carrying over, and then the buyers are now confused. For example, they understand when they get, POE, POA, proof of asset, and then proof of employment, and then proof of funding, those POF, those Ps, they understand. They start seeing Cs, so they're passing me listings that actually on the listings are saying COA to COE, and I'm scratching my head, and I'm like, oh, okay, so it basically the same thing, either certify or certification of assets, so COA, COE, and then you understand. If you substitute that with the word proof, P, then you understand. And there's a lot of things, like for example, CS means coming soon, temporary off market, TOM, and then BOM, back on market, all that stuff. PC means price change. So a lot of these things are happening. So that's why I always encourage my buyers or sellers or my customers to listen. You don't have to sign with me, but I highly recommend it, and I truly sincerely hope that you find a licensed realtor that you trust, that you feel comfortable working with, and then just have them guide you through the complexity of the ins and outs of real estate. They really need, it goes without saying. So I hope you guys enjoy this. I'll talk to you guys later. Stay well, be safe. Bye now.